Celestial navigation is a dying art, but it could be making a comeback. I'm Dominic Acquista, Department's Editor for Photonics Spectra, taking you to the lighter side. Sure, camp counselors might teach kids how to find their way north by identifying Polaris, the North Star, but let's be honest, not a lot of campers are taking late-night strolls out in the woods. At one time, the stars were our only GPS. Whether you were sailing to the New World or riding your horse to a neighboring village to sell your pelts and goods, you could always count on the stars to light your way. Today, GPS has limited our reliance on stars to predicting our future through horoscopes. But even with its accuracy and availability, new advancements in jamming technology have researchers once again looking to the stars for their tried and true navigation. Remote sensing engineers from the University of South Australia have combined celestial direction with vision-based technology to offer a new source for nighttime navigation where GNSS signals are unavailable. This celestial system can be integrated into standard drones. The payload, which consists of a Raspberry Pi 5 and an Alvium 1800 U240 monochrome sensor, relies on an algorithm that uses visual data from stars and processes it through autopilot systems. There are other star-based navigation systems, but those are often too heavy, complex, or expensive to use. Testing this new system, engineers attached the payload to a drone capturing images at a rate of 10 hertz. And while the team conducted the tests on a moonless night where the stars would be at their brightest, the drone still demonstrated accurate positioning within 4 kilometers during the flight. The engineers believe that this navigation system will prove useful while crossing over oceans, in the heat of military conflicts, or for environmental monitoring and remote sensing. But don't expect summer camps to invest in the system for midnight hikes just yet. For now, kids will have to pay attention when their counselor points out Polaris in the sky. Just don't get distracted by the buzzing of those low-flying shooting stars. They're just drones. For more stories from the lighter side, just head to photonics.com.